the steering shaft removed. Notice right here it's all busted up. Hopefully I'll be able to get another replacement piece. Probably not though, but I'll give it a try. Now it's just a matter of removing these pieces one at a time, and then stacking them up so I know which direction they go in when it comes to go back together. Yeah, let's see, that's all busted. So there it is, a bad piece. Well, heck. I've already called around to the wrecking yards and there's none available. So I guess it's a matter of seeing if I can get that one welded back up or something, I guess. We will see.